Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Pinterest account permanently. So let's open the Pinterest mobile application here. And here in the top or in the bottom right side corner, you can see the profile icon. Click on the profile icon here. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so here click on the profile icon which is on the bottom right side corner. On the top right side corner, you will see the three dots. Click on there. Now go to the settings, and after that, here you will get this option. So there is a lot of option here, so just go to the here, let me show you. Go to the account management here, click on the account management, and here you will see all the information. So if you want to delete your account, click on delete your data in account, click on the continue, and here you have to select the reason. Then you have to just send email, and after that you can see that email has been sent to your email address, and from their email you can just delete your account easily. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.